With the long journey of this country towards becoming a developing country, all of which were led by seven wise leaders of our country, and now our country is led by the eighth president, who is highly intellectual, tall and wise, namely Mr. Prabowo Subianto Joyo Hadi Kusumo. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Thomas Levi Behaki, name 19242453 from class 19.18.14. I made this video in order to fulfill the assignment of English courses with letters Mrs. Sylvia Nanda Putri Erito in MPD. I will discuss the theme of the President of Indonesia, Mr. Prabowo Subianto, and Vice President Mr. Gibran Rakabuming. Very extraordinary. Wow. With the real name Mr. Prabowo Subianto Joyo Hadi Kusumo, he is the elected president in Indonesia, and with the full name Mr. Gibran Rakabuming Raka as Vice President of Mr. Prabowo Subianto. Mr. Prabowo also named his cabinet with the name of the Red and White Cabinet. Mr. Prabowo is a firm and highly dedicated figure. He is also a figure admired by the community and his cabinet. Now, what is interesting here is that Mr. Prabowo educated in cabinet at the Magelang Military Academy. Wow! For approximately their dice, limited his cabinet to have a high leadership spirit and a true sense of responsibility. Moreover, Mr. Prabowo has promised to catch corruptors where they are. And sure enough, after only 15 days as president, Mr. Prabowo has managed to catch 28 people involved in corporate cases. Wow, this is extraordinary. Just starting his term of office, he has been able to show evidences of his extraordinary leadership. Moreover, this president has run a free meal program for school leader. Wow, this which is currently being run by Mr. Gibran Rakabuming Raka, and maybe in the future there will be many more programs that are beneficial to the community and very influential for the nation. And hopefully Indonesia's development will be more rapid in the era of Mr. Prabowo's leadership. Now we will continue with Zoom and Slate, okay? Time the President of Indonesia, Mr. Prabowo Subianto, and the Vice President, Mr. Gibran Rakabuming, were extraordinary. Okay, next. Oh yeah, my name Thomas Levi Behaki, NIM 1924243. Okay, next. Biography of Mr. Prabowo Subianto. Prabowo Subianto Joyo Hadi Kusumo, born 17 October 1951, is a politician, businessman, and retired TNI General. Prabowo Subianto graduate from Akabri, now the military academy, in 1974. Okay. and mainly served in the special force Kopassus ya, until he was appointed to lead the strategic reverse command, the Kostrad, in the 1974. 1998 and currently serving as the 8th President of Indonesia since 20 October 2024. Previously, he served as the 26th Minister of Defense. He is the third Indonesian president to have a military background after Suharto and Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono. Prabowo is also described as right-wing nationalist. Okay, next. Biography of Mr. Gibran Rakabuming. Gibran Rakabuming Raka. Sorry. From source wikipedia.org ya. Okay, Gibran Rakabuming Raka, BEC. Born 1 October 1987. Is an is an Indonesian politician and businessman who has served as Vice President of Indonesia since 2024. Gibran was appointed Vice President at the age of 37, making him the youngest Vice President in the country history. He previously served as Mayor of Surakarta between 2001 and 2024. Gibran is the eldest son of the 7th President of Indonesia, Joko Widodo. He completed his first 9 years of education in Surakarta before moving to Singapore, where he studied at Osage Park Secondary School. Despite his relatively short time in office, Gibran's influence on Surakarta was so great that he was named the most popular mayor in 2001, according to Indikator Indonesia. The names of the red and white cabinet minister. Okay. There are 53 in all. There are lots of them. Among them are Budi Gunawan to Yusril Eza Mahendra. Okay. From source setgov.go.id. Next, a long list of Mr. Prabowo's pledges program in the first 100. Yes. Okay. From source cnnindonesia.com. Next. Provisions for the red and white cabinet at the military academy. Okay. On October 25, 2024, at the Pancasila fell at the Military Academy Magelang, Central Java. The red and white cabinet was trained in a military style to complete the red and white cabinet. Mr. Prabu really told the minister hard to be more responsible in carrying out their duties, and this event was held by Mr. Prabowo at his own expense. Extraordinary. Okay. Sorry, index typo ya. Mr. Prabowo really. Okay, next. Oh iya, So is from source bbc.com. Okay, next. Mr. Prabowo cleans the county. Wow. 10 days in office, Mr. Prabowo Subianto has arrested 28 corruptor from 7 corruptions cases in Indonesia involving officials. Wow, extraordinary. Okay. All from source radarmarioboro.jawapost.com. Next. Pak Prabowo is not. Oh, sorry. Mr. Prabowo is not as gentle as Mr. Jokowi. Wow. Perfect. With his firms and stoutness in leading the Indonesian nation, there is not the slightest trace of fear of trepidation. On his face, he is a firm leader, willing to work hard and face all obstacles for the benefit of his people. Therefore, Mr. Prabowo is often called Mr. Prabowo is not as gentle as Mr. Jokowi. Okay. Next. Towards golden Indonesia. Okay. Mr. Prabowo has his own way of leading the country by continuing Mr. Jokowi's program. Mr. Prabowo will create his golden Indonesia. Okay, in my opinion. Thank you. Okay, that's all the presentation for me. I apologize if I am still not fluent in English. And again, I apologize and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.